In last video, we have completed till activity 2. In this video, we are going to start activity 3. Rewrite the numbers in ascending order in the boxes provided. See, boxes are there. You will have to write these numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means no or not? Yes, ascending order means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. That is called ascending order. First we will write smallest number and at last we will write biggest number. Okay. See, first we will see that 4 numbers. Both have 1000 places. Okay. Now we will see in 1000 places which numbers are there. Here 7777. Both have same numbers. Now we will see which place. 100 place. Here is 2. Here is 2. Here is 9. Here is 0. See, 2, 2, 9, 0 in 100 place. Which is smaller? Which is smaller? Yes, 0 is the smallest. That's why this number we will write in first box. Now next one. This one we have written. Now 3 numbers left. See, in second number 2, 2 and 9. Which is the smallest? Yes, these two numbers is smaller. That is biggest. Now this one we will see in 100 place same. Then tens place same. Then we will see ones place. In ones place here is 8. Here is 0. Which is the smallest? Yes, 0 is the smallest. In second number we will write this one. 1, 2. And next we will write this one. And at last that is biggest number. Fourth one. In fourth box we will write this one. See, first we will see what we will see. 1000 place. 1000 place have same. Then we will see 100 place. 2, 2, 9, 0. Which is the smallest? Yes, this 0 is the smallest. It is right. It will be written in first box. And then next one we will see. Here is 2, 2. Both have same. 9 is bigger than 2. That's why we will leave this one. Now 2, 2 same. Then we will see tens place. Tens place also same. Then we will see ones place. In ones place here is 0. Here is 8. Which is smallest? Yes, 0. That's why we will write this one first. And that one, third one, that is fourth one. Okay, you write first one 7029. Second one you write 7290. In third one you write 7298. And fourth one you write 7920. Now you can do next one we will do. Okay. Again we will see 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. 1000 place here is 8. Here is 9. Here is 6. Here is 6. See, we will see which place. We will see smallest number first we will write now. Then with 2. Then 2 we will have to choose. Now here is 1000 place same. Here is, now we will see 100 place. 100 place here is 9. Here is 8. Which is the smallest? 8. Yes, that's why first we will write this one. Second we will write this one. And third which one? Here is 9. Here is 8. Which is smallest? Yes, this one third. 8 is the smallest. 8 is smaller than 9. That's why this one we will write first. Then last, biggest one. Because this is ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Smaller number is 6890. Next one is 6980. Third one is 8960. Then 9680. Okay, now that to your homework. You do yourself. Okay, now Descending order. In descending order, we will do, what is the descending order? Descending order means, yes, descending order means biggest to smallest. Descending order means biggest to smallest. First we will write bigger number, then at last we will write smallest number. See, here is 6. First we will see thousand place. 6, 7, 8, 6. Which is 6, 7, 8. Which is the biggest? Yes, 8. First we will write this number 8, 5, 1, 2. Next is 7. Yes, 7, 3, 1, 0. Next is 6. Both have 6 in thousand place. Now we will see 100 place. 100 place also same. Then that time we will see tens place. Which one is bigger? Yes, 6, 1, 5, 0. 5 is bigger than 4 now. We will write this number first. Now last one is smallest. 6, 1, 4, 2. What is the descending order? Biggest to smallest. Bigger to smaller. Again we will write this one. See, first we will see thousand place. Here is 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 6. Which is biggest? 7, 5, 8, 6. Yes, 8 is biggest. That's why we will write first 8, 2, 3, 5. Next we will write 7. 7, 2, 5, 1. Next we will write 6. 6, 3, 7, 5. Next we will write 5. 5, 5, 1, 7. Okay, now that is to your homework. Then what to do? First we will see thousand place. Thousand place is if same, then we will see 100 place. If 100 place we will say is same, then we see tens place. If tens place is same, last we will see ones place, and we will take out the smaller and biggest number, and that is descending order, means bigger to smaller. Now turn the page. Okay. Form the greatest and smallest number using the given digits. See, digits have been given here. You will have to make greatest number and smallest number. See how many digits are there? Ones, tens, 100. 100 digits are there. Means first we will write in 100 place greatest number. Which is the greatest in 3 numbers? 0, 8, 3, 8. We will write 8. 8 is the greatest number. Then we will write 3. In 3 and 0, which is greater? Yes, 3. And at last 0. That is the greatest number. See, first we will write greater number. 380, which is greatest? Yes, 8. First we will write 8. And 3 and 0, which is greater? 3. We will write 3. Then 0. Now smallest number. In these 3 numbers, which is smaller? Yes, which is smallest? Yes, 0 is smallest. But no number starts from 0. That's why we will not first 0 here. First we will write 3. 3, 0, 8. Smallest number. Here also big greatest number. Which one is greatest? 5. Then 3. And last smallest. Here smallest number, we will start from smallest number 1, 3, and then last number will be bigger number. Here also biggest number is 9, then 5, then 3, then 0. Here smallest number is 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 9. Now that too is your homework. You do yourself. Okay, very easy one. To make greatest number, greater number you will write first. Then in last you will write smallest number. Now circle the smallest and take the greatest number. See, circle the smallest. First we will see 1000 place, 2, 2, 2, 2, same. Then we will see 100 place, 7, 1, 5, 1. Which one is greater? 7, 1, 5, 1. Yes, 7. That's why this is greatest number. This is greatest number. And 1, 5, 1. 1 is same. We will see again 100 tens place. Yes. In tens place, here is 7, here is 5. This is smallest number. Okay. Now 6, 2, 3, 8. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 8. That's why we will take in greatest number. And smallest number? 2. That's why we will take here. Now here 6, 4, 5, 8. Which one is greatest? 8. 6, 5, 4, 8. Which one is greatest? 8. Yes. And which one is the smallest? 4. Here 9, 8, 3, 7. First we see 1000 place. 9, 8, 3, 7. Which one is greatest? 9. And which one is the smallest? 3. Okay. Now we will see round off the nearest tens. Then what we will do? First we will see if the digit at the ones place. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5. This is ones place, this is ones place. See, you know na? Ones tens, 100, ones tens 100. We start from here. If in this ones place is less than 5, we round off the lower number. Okay, we round off the lower number. And if the digit is ones place is more than 5, we round off the upper number. Okay, understand? See, first 72. Okay, 72. At last, in round off, at last we write 0. In ones place we write 0. In nearest 10 we will have to write na. First we will write in 100 is tens ones place. Sorry, in ones place we write 0. Yes, 0. Then we will see in ones place, if number is in ones place less than 5, we will write tens place number as it is. Okay. See, next one. If first we will write in ones place 0. And in tens place we will see it is more than 5. We will write just after the tens number. What is in tens number? 8. Just after is 9. Yes. If ones place is more than 5, we will write tens number just after that number. See again. Here is 2. We will write first 0. Then we will see tens place. Here is 7. Ones place less than 5, we will write 7 as it is. In ones place, here is 7 more than 5. We will write just after the number 8, 9. Here also, see, in ones place 5 is there. 5 is there. First we will write in ones place 0. And tens place 5 or more than 5. Then we will change the number just after that number. After 3, 4 will come. 240. Now here, first in ones place we will write 0. Here is less than 5. We will write 4 as it is. 940. Here see, here is 7. Ones place is 7 more than 5. We will change tens place. We will write just after 2, 3. Here 9 is there. We will write 0. And 9 is there more than 5. We will write just after 1. What will come? 2. 520. Okay. Nearest 10 we are doing. What is the tens place? Ones tens. To do nearest tens, in ones place we write 0 and we change tens place according to ones place number. What is the ones place number? 4. If ones place number is 5 or more than 5, that time we will change tens place number and we write just after the number. See, here is 9, here is 4, more less than 5. That's why we will write 9 as it is. Here 8, more than 5. We will change tens place number. 6 after 7, 6 after 7 is there. 670. Here 6, more than 5. More than 5, then we will change the tens place number. We will write after 5. What will come after 5? 6. Here also, what is this? 5. Ones place we will write 0. 5 is there. If the in ones place 5 or more than 5 is there, we will change the number of that tens place. Just after we will write 9 just after 100. 9 just after 10. 9 just after 10. Okay. Now turn the page. Activity 6. Activity 6. What is activity 6? Write even or odd. See. The numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place are even numbers. Numbers with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in ones place is called odd numbers. Okay. What is even numbers? If the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is in ones place, that is called even number. If 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is in ones place, that is odd number. Okay. Now we will solve. Write even or odd. We will have to see ones place. What is this? This is called ones place. Ones tens. Ones tens 100. Ones tens. From where we start? From here. From right side we start. Ones. In ones place, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there, that time it is called even number. If ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there, that is called odd number. Ones place 4 is there, even number. Okay. Ones place 7 is there, odd number. Ones place 9 is there, odd number. Ones place 3 is there, 3, odd number. Ones place 4 is there, even number. Ones place 2 is there, even number. Okay. Ones place 0 is there, even number. Ones place 2 is there, even number. Ones place 5 is there, 5 is odd number. It is very easy. If is in ones place 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, table of 2 is there, that time we will write that number even number. We see only ones place. Okay. We will not see other places. Only ones place we will see. If in ones place these numbers are there, that is even numbers. If ones place that numbers are there, that is odd numbers. Now that is your homework. Do yourself. Now activity 7 we will start after in next video. Okay.